Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. Well, I'm gonna do this real quick. We got a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee in, and what's going on is we're about to replace the batteries. So I figure out, go through the procedures with you. So first thing you want to do is let the seat all the way up. Let the seat all the way up. The passenger side seat. It's electric. Let it all the way up. Pull the bottom cover up. It should have 2 tabs on it. Get that out of your way. And from there, you want to first thing you want to do is remove the negative battery cable clamp. First thing you want to do is get the negative battery clamp out of the way. Now this battery is also held on with a strap. So loosen your strap, unbolting your strap, get it out of the way, and because now we want to gain access to the hold down clamp. The hold down bracket is held on by 2 10mm bolts. Once we get that out the way, we can just pick this bracket up out of there and lay it to the side. So next we want to pick up on the battery a little bit because it has a vent tube on it. Do not damage the vent tube. Be careful of that black vent tube. We want to just pull it out of the way and lay it to the side. So now all we do is simply we got to raise the battery up a little bit because we got to get to the positive terminal now. And what I had to use on that one is a 10mm wrench. I had to get a 10mm wrench to unloosen the positive side negative battery clamp. So once we get that off, we're pretty much home free. We'll be able to raise the battery up out of its location and simply replace the new battery. Now, there was a couple of concerns about the battery even being placed in this position back in 2011 when it first came out. Yeah, so a lot of people was concerned about possible sulfuric acid in the cabin with you. So yeah, man, I mean, these are legit concerns, but obviously, that stuff can generate hydrogen gas, as it's charged. But engineers pretty much examined all precautionary measures and came to the conclusion that the vent tube that's in place will do its job and vent out any gases that may escape the battery. So yeah, it was a lot of concerns about the battery being put in its place. Now I will say this: I do not replace batteries that often in positions like this. In other words, batteries being inside the cabin of the car. For one, it's not under the hood with all this heat, so it will be able to last a lot longer in this position or in this place. So that's one good thing about it. You won't have to replace your battery as often. So issues arise when the battery die. So that's where your problem comes in. When the battery die, how do you even raise the seat all the way up? It's simple. There's 2 jump posts under the hood. So what you do, add a jump box, either some jumper cables. You got to get power at the jump post, the jump box post. That way you can get the seat to move, the electric seat to move up, so you can even gain access to the battery. And from there, you're home free, man. So I want to keep this video short. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.